This video is dividing with friendly numbers. It's a follow-up to my video dividing using a hundreds chart. So if you have not watched that video yet, please watch that one first. The idea behind this video is that it is easy to do repeated subtraction when you're dividing, such as in the previous video, but it takes a lot longer, and there are more efficient ways to divide. And the first way that I like to teach children is dividing with friendly numbers. So what are friendly numbers? Well, they're numbers that are easy to divide or multiply by. So obviously 1, 2, 5, 10. With the kids that I'm working with, I'm doing 2-digit by 1-digit division only, but you can go higher than that. So you can also go to 25, 50s, and hundreds. Those are friendly numbers as well. So when I'm teaching the friendly numbers method, I like to start with a blank hundreds chart because it's very familiar for the kids. So let's figure out what our number is and get to work. So let's do 56 divided by 4. So in the hundreds chart method, the first step is the same. So you're going to have to cut off the parts of the chart that you don't want. So you're going to count down 5 rows of 10 plus 6, and you're going to cut away everything that you don't need. So step 1, you're going to start with your empty hundreds grid, and you're going to cut off everything that you don't need. Okay, so in this case we're doing 56. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows down plus another 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to cut off everything else. So once you've done that, now you have a grid with 56. Step 2. You're going to start dividing 56 divided by 4. Instead of taking 4 away, taking 4 away, taking 4 away, we're going to do this faster by using friendly numbers. So remember, our friendly numbers are 10, 5, 2, and 1, because we're only working with a 2-digit number. So we're going to start and we're going to think, can I take away 10 groups of 4? Well, I know that 10 groups of 4 is equal to 40. So yes, I can take that away. So I'm going to record my friendly number on the side, 10. And I'm going to take that 40 away. Okay? So I took away 10 times 4. Now I have 16 remaining. Okay? So now I'm going to think, well, what friendly number could I use now? I've already used 10. Could I use 5? Well, 5 groups of 4 is 20. So no, I can't use 5 because I only have 16 left. So I'm going to try 2. So now I'm going to take away 2 groups of 4, which is 8. So take away 2 groups of 4. That leaves me with 8 remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I know I could take away another group of 2. This part here, this part here. That means that I took away another 8. So instead of taking away 4 so many times, now I've taken away bigger chunks, and I'm going to end up with the same number of groups of 4. So I have 10 groups of 4 here, then I took away 2, and then I took away 2 more. So in total, I took away 14 groups. If I did this using the previous method, you would see there would be 14 equal groups of 4 here. So in this case, 56 divided by 4 is equal to 14 with no remainder. So when you're doing your activity, remember your steps. Step 1, cut the blank hundreds chart into your number. Step 2, you're going to choose a friendly number to use. Remember, we're going to try and stick with 10, 5, 2, or 1. Start with 10 if you can. So you're going to want to try and take away 10 groups of blank, whatever it is that you're dividing by. Step 3, cut away that number. So remember from our example, I did 10 groups of 4 and I cut away the 10 groups of 4. Also, don't forget to record the friendly number that you've used. Step 4, repeat with friendly numbers as many times as you can. Stop when you have nothing left or you end up with a remainder. Remember, just because I used 10 once doesn't mean I can't use 10 again. You have to decide what friendly number is best for your situation. Step 5, add up all your friendly numbers to get your quotient. Don't forget to record the remainder if there was one. So in my example, I added up the 10 plus the 2 plus the 2, which equaled 14. So my quotient was 14.